Thank you for calling CPHM. This is Athena. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, who I am speaking to?
Miss Marta Artelia.
May I spell out your name? Mikey, Alpha, Romeo, Golf, Alpha, Alpha, Romeo, Tango, India, Lima, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Alpha. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
09150-16028.
When do you want your reservation is?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2.
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 31, 2024, for 2 persons only, in non-smoking area under your name, Ms. Arteliaga, with the contact number of 0915-016-0288. Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
No.
Ms. Arteliaga, thank you for patronizing CPH and Cafe Amado Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.